An algorithm may already have decided your future, and you don't even know it. Right now, artificial intelligence is quietly rejecting job applications before a human ever sees them. It decides who gets an interview, who gets filtered out, and who never gets a chance. This is not speculation. It is standard practice. But that's just the beginning. AI is now deciding which businesses succeed, which creators get views, which ads make money, and which ideas spread. These decisions used to be made by people. Today, they are made by systems designed to optimize one thing: efficiency. And efficiency doesn't care about you. It doesn't care about effort. It doesn't care about fairness. It doesn't care about potential. It cares about patterns. Artificial intelligence doesn't replace jobs by firing people. It replaces jobs by quietly removing decision points. One manager replaced by an algorithm. One judgment call replaced by data. One human bottleneck removed. By the time people notice what's happening, the system is already locked in. This video exposes how artificial intelligence is taking control of decisions that shape careers, money, and opportunity, and why ignoring this shift is the fastest way to fall behind. Because in a world run by algorithms, the biggest risk isn't AI itself. It's not knowing how it decides. To understand why this matters, you have to understand how these systems actually work. Most people imagine artificial intelligence as something advanced and futuristic. In reality, many of the systems shaping your life today are simple, efficient, and brutally practical. They are built to reduce friction, remove human judgment, and optimize outcomes based on data. In hiring, this means algorithms scan thousands of applications in seconds. They look for patterns in resumes, keywords, education, work history, and even writing style. If your profile does not match what the system expects, it is filtered out instantly. No explanation, no feedback, no second chance. This doesn't mean you are unqualified. It means you are invisible. The same logic applies in marketing and content. Algorithms decide which videos get shown, which ads get pushed, and which creators are worth promoting. These systems test behavior at scale. They track what people click, how long they watch, when they scroll away, and what they ignore. If something performs slightly better, it gets amplified. If it performs slightly worse, it disappears. Human judgment is no longer the bottleneck. Data is. In finance, artificial intelligence evaluates risk, flags transactions, and predicts outcomes faster than any human analyst ever could. Loans are approved or rejected. Accounts are monitored. Opportunities are ranked. In many cases, humans are no longer making the first decision. They are only reviewing what the system has already decided. This is how AI replaces decision-making without anyone noticing. Not by taking control, but by being trusted. At first, these systems are introduced as assistants, tools to help people work faster, to reduce workload, to improve accuracy. But over time, reliance increases. People stop questioning recommendations. They stop checking edge cases. They stop exercising independent judgment. And eventually, the system becomes the authority. This creates a dangerous illusion. It feels like efficiency. It feels like progress. But it also creates fragility. Because when everyone relies on the same systems, mistakes scale instantly. Bias scales instantly. Errors propagate silently. Artificial intelligence does not understand context the way humans do. It does not understand fairness, morality, or long-term consequences. It understands patterns and probabilities. When those patterns are wrong, or when reality changes, the system does not adapt emotionally. It continues optimizing. This is why people lose jobs without understanding why. Why creators lose reach overnight. Why businesses collapse after algorithm updates. The rules change, but no one announces them. The most important shift is this: value is no longer created by effort alone. It is created by alignment with systems. People who understand how algorithms think can position themselves inside those systems. They design resumes, content, businesses, and strategies that work with automation instead of against it. People who don't understand this compete blindly. They work harder. They apply more. They post more. But effort without leverage gets filtered out. This is why artificial intelligence is creating extreme outcomes. A small group of people learn how to work with these systems and become dramatically more effective. Others feel like the ground is moving under their feet without explanation. The future of work is not about competing with AI. It is about understanding where decisions are made, who controls them, how they are optimized, and how to position yourself so you are not on the losing side of automation. Because AI does not remove opportunity, it redistributes it. And the distribution is not fair. It is efficient. The people who survive this shift are not the smartest or the hardest working. They are the ones who adapt their behavior to how systems actually operate. In a world where algorithms decide outcomes, the most dangerous position is ignorance. Not knowing how decisions are made. Not knowing where leverage exists. Not knowing when human judgment has already been replaced. Artificial intelligence is not coming for your job in one dramatic moment. It is quietly deciding your relevance, one decision at a time. What makes this shift especially dangerous is that it feels invisible to the people affected by it. There is no clear moment where someone is told they are being replaced by artificial intelligence. Instead, they are told they were not the best fit. That engagement dropped. That performance changed. The explanation is always vague, and the real decision maker remains hidden. Over time, this creates frustration and confusion. People sense that something is wrong, but they cannot point to a single cause. They work harder, apply more, and try to optimize blindly without realizing that the system they are competing in no longer rewards the same behavior. Artificial intelligence does not care about intention. It does not care about effort. It only measures outcomes. And as more decisions are handed over to automated systems, the gap between those who understand how outcomes are measured and those who do not continues to widen. This is why learning how these systems evaluate, rank, and filter is no longer optional. It is the difference between visibility and invisibility, between opportunity and exclusion. In a world shaped by algorithms, understanding how decisions are made becomes a survival skill.